Number 1. Who was the creator of Black History Month? Was it A. Carter G. Woodson, B. Martin Luther King Jr., C. Thurgood Marshall, or D. Abraham Lincoln? Number 2. Why was Black History Month selected to be observed in February? A. It was the creator's birthday. B. It held the birthdays of two men who has done work for African Americans. C. It was randomly selected. Or D. No one really knows. Number 3. What is Black History Month? A time to shed light on the contributions of African Americans in America. B. It's just another month. C. None of the above. Or D. All of the above. Number 1. Which of the following genres influenced all other musical styles? Is it A. Jazz, B. Hip-hop, C. The blues, or D. All of the above? Number 2. In which city did jazz originate? Is it A. Columbia, B. New Orleans, C. Brooklyn, or D. Los Angeles? Number 3. Which of the following did slaves mostly do on the plantations? A. Sing, B. Eat, C. Read, or D. Write? Number 1. Who invented peanut butter? Is it A. John DeBary, B. Barack Obama, C. George Washington Carver, or D. Annie Easley? Who is Ben Carson? A. An African American author, B. A former neurosurgeon, C. The first doctor to separate conjoined twins, or D. All of the above? Madam C.J. Walker is best known for which of the following? A. Being the creator of the car, B. The first American woman self-made millionaire, C. For her work as an athlete, or D. All of the above? Number 1. What are Negro spirituals? Is it A. Rap music describing hardships, B. Christian songs describing hardships and Christian values, C. Jazz music describing hardships, or D. All of the above? Number 2. Why were hidden messages placed in Negro spirituals? A. That's what the slaves used to communicate with each other. B. The slaves were bored. C. It was unintentional. Or D. There were no hidden messages in Negro spirituals? Number 3. Which of the following is not a Negro spiritual? Is it A. Wade in the water, B. Swing low, sweet chariot, C. Still away to Jesus, or D. The Star-Spangled Banner? Why are cultural stereotypes hurtful? A. They are overgeneralized beliefs that can harm a group of people. B. They are not at all hurtful. C. They are true, but people just don't understand how to use them. Or D. All of the above? Number 2. How can you live up to your full potential? A. Stay motivated. B. Learn as much as you can. C. Surround yourself with like-minded people. Or D. All of the above? Number 3. Who wrote the book Appeal to the Colored Citizens of the World? A. Barack Obama, B. David Walker, C. Dexter Taylor, Or D, Tony Evanson?